Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton say Edo people must stand for themselves because of the insecurity wey dey for the state, the way that they kidnap people now for Edo State, especially the one wey just happen wey never tey, wey they kidnap one US citizen, kill the man for inside bush. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Newton.
Good day to you all. I bring good tidings from the Most High God. God bless you. Please make sure you share this video. What we're about discussing right now is very vital, and we need it. It's very vital. There's something I want to be revealing to us in this very video. So just kindly do a favor by sharing massively. Make sure you invite as many people as you can. I've told us several times with that number that we are in this together. So what you can help me do right now is to share. There's another that says that it's only a foolish man that will be inside the house when the roof is on fire. So I know any of our personal building that is burning. But to how this world was created by God, we were given an assignment, a divine assignment. So what you are going to be seeing today, you will not be seeing the Garden of Eden any longer. No. God created this earth. He said we should have dominion over everything. Dominion over everything. He did not say human being will be having dominion over human being. No. We should have dominion over the birds of the air, the fishes of the water, and to every creepy thing as far as this life is concerned. Then, where have we fought out as a living soul that God created? These are the things I want us to be seeing this very afternoon, being on the 4th of February 2021. So I want us to be looking at it. Please invite a friend. I want to be giving us a lot of revelation about what we feel we are playing with. We are playing with it. It's happening. We are assuming it's not happening. And how has the Fulani herdsmen and the so-called the people that colonized Nigeria, imagine someone signing a contract on your behalf. You don't even know the kind of contract they are signing. Then automatically you came into being. Then you have the right to ask, this kind of life I'm living, I don't like it. I don't like it. We are not even demanding right now. Even the issue at hand right now is even more than the split Nigeria, divide Nigeria. Why is stranger killing us in our land? Why is stranger killing us in our land? And why is the people that is made to protect us, we elected to protect us, why are they not really standing protecting us? What's happening? So that's why I've told us a time with that number that I pity a lot of people who at this point in time they are still playing instead of them to pray. Now, the depopulation agenda that Bill Gates talked about in 2011, he talked about the population with 4 vaccine. And if you're looking at it today, they are pushing the 4 vaccine along the line. Fulani herdsmen killing in Nigeria is escalating. Then sit back. Don't be brain dead all the time. That's why I've criticized a lot of people. Then I don't just know the best language I'm going to use for people these days. Don't be brain dead. Don't leave it for only me. Don't leave it for only the hip-hop. No, they are not only the person in this earth. As you are going to die the same way they are going to die. If you love your people, you want Edo to be great. Edo will not be great by you picking people from the street. No. Every one of us should speak out. So that something will be done about these things. The population agenda is real. By force vaccine, they've been able to know now that there is no way a reasonable black man will take the vaccine. Because they don't have the measure to lock us, to make sure they trick you to the extent of you taking the first vaccine. It can happen here in Europe because why? Without you bringing your passport that you have taken the vaccine, or without you bringing the certificate, your boss will drive you. But in our area, in Nigeria, it cannot work like that. Most people are self-employed. So how many people are they going to give? They've been able to run the statistics that the 4 vaccine will not work in Africa. Let's begin to unleash terror on them. And we all know that the area of concentration is Nigeria. Right now, the Igbo people have rise up. I hate when I'm talking about, maybe at times, just trying to enlighten people. There's nothing bad. Maybe you doesn't know about anything. But something bad when you know, you are still doing it. That's stupidity. And you know it, you are still believing in it. In what manner do you think these people will come and tell you that something is happening? They show it to you severally. Or do you think the British, for example, they will be happy for you to have good life? Who are they going to be using to be doing 18 hours? Have you ever seen any white person who kill himself over the world, kill herself with money? Most of them, they have a property they've inherited from their father. Oyibo that is rich is rich. If you are not rich, you are not rich. There are Igbo today, I told you before, our life is better than their own. The kind of car you even use as an immigrant, they don't use it. Those ones, they are just born to poor. They are like that. They are comfortable with it. They don't even jealous the people that has money. Now we have came to understand. A lot of people never want to understand, but me myself, I understand already. For those that follow this page, I say the way it is. Now the population agenda, how come about this thing? Look at the way the world is tackling, the way Nigeria carry vaccine, COVID-19. Did they carry the insecurity in Nigeria like that? Ask yourself this question. The way Nigeria carry the vaccine, did they carry the insecurity like that? Now, if no, they did not carry it like that, then why are you not standing up to speak for your people? You have to stand up to speak for your people. And mind you, for a lot of you who feel politics is gone, if you just come here, you want to start blaming one state governor, my dear, you are just wasting your time. The falasa you will use to start talking to one governor who is not going to listen to you, even when you even want to do anything. Imagine a governor that does not control police. We all were aware that does not control police, that does not control army. This is a person that have unleashed terrorists and ASM on the innocent poor citizens are the same person that control the police. Then what are you now going to do as a citizen? Then we have to come together. It is now we have to unite together. Then if we are uniting, we now intend to protect our ancestral land. Then any governor that say do not protect your ancestral land, then we evict him out of the office. Okay, for example, we are about 5,000 people march out. The killing of the Fulani herdsmen must stop. Fulani terrorism must stop. Even the NSAS protest, the level we are right now about this excessive killing all the time, I think the NSAS protest now even for play. We should take this one more serious. We should take this one more serious. The whole world they protested. And right now, do you know some of the reasons why that man was killed? Make America ENA, Edo Association in America, made it for no say there's lapses in whatever thing they have been doing. The ENA is America. If they refuse to come out and condemn this very killing, that is to say, there's something wrong somewhere. So you can see that I have not yet seen in social media that people are rising up, condemning this very act. How did America today become the world power? They always want to solve one problem at a time in front of them. Now, if I live in a place that is called world power, I should be also be generating a lot of things from there to show that, yeah, we are really world power. If the governor is coming, commissioner is coming, they always go to you, Washington. They go to America. Then your citizen, your co-brother have been killed. If you guys silent like this, no letter written to, or you write a letter to your embassy here, in Abuja or in Lagos, for them to find something they do about it. That is to say, every one of us is incompetent, including me, including you that is sitting at home, including your president. That is to say, really, people from Eshitu, all of them, they are Kasitwan. Most of them that are not speaking today. Then what are we talking about here? Now this thing is happening. We see it happening, and we are not doing any fucking thing about it. We are not doing any fucking thing about it. We are crying. Okay, now you are in a place where the UN, the OMINT, international community, most of them, they are a stone throw from your house. Most of them, they work in the same office with you. But after closing, they use that extra time they have to go and take care of other things. You are still shouting international community. Now, who do you think that is going to help you? You that have been in America for 40 years. And it's a shame on your part now that your ancestral land is being taken by some strangers. But most of you have worked in America, You have worked in Europe. You have helped to save lives in Europe. You have helped to save lives in America. What have you been able to do in your land? What have you been able to protect in your land? Election will come, not concern us. Okay, now waiting one can concern you. So all these things are happening. God is trying to test each and everybody's faith today. Let me see what this person can give to his people. And what you can give, what you can get. If you cannot intend to give people's life, there never a time you are going to get your life. They say now who fed that and I be meat. So this archaic idea that we have, after all, now they happen to, not be me happen to. We should forget about it. Look at our platform today. All they see talked about is jargons. Nobody's really interested on how we going to fix this very nation. A lot of them will come out right now. So they're nothing bad about you insulting Obaseki. Insulting Obaseki, though, that's not the problem. Where is this very problem coming from? And how are we going to start solving it? Like Sunday Igboho, he take law into his hand by driving the fool, and even the state governor never supported him. These activists right now in Yoruba land. Since this guy come out, did you hear about Sowore again? Because these are the people who know that you are talking about revolution. Revolution without termination, good. But these are pressing needs. Any activist you see today that is not really talking about the excessive killing of Nigeria, he just wants to come to position. That activist is fake. Community says so. Every one of us should be concerned. Me, I'm not retreated though. If at all I'm retreated not to come to Nigeria, I can fly to Benin Republic. Tunisia is there. I can discuss spend years in Benin Republic there. Nobody will even know I'm there. So whatever thing we are doing, let's do it well to the glory of God. And mind you, anything you are doing in life, don't always see that you are doing it for other people. The depopulation agenda, let's come back home. What is the meaning? And what are these people trying to gain? The people that is not still understanding this thing today are most Nigerians. They don't want to understand what they have in mind that yes, there's COVID-19. Really, there's COVID-19. What was the reason they bring it out? Why did they create COVID-19? It's a biological weapon. It's a biochemical weapon that they want to use to reduce the population. And we have heard that in all medias. A lot of white men, they have took the risk to come out with their face and condemn this thing. A lot of people have talked about it. But why are we not believing these people? Why are we not believing them? Okay, do you think what you are seeing today, the one that used to happen, the Spanish flu or whatever, those one is different. Those one is quite different from what you are seeing today. This one, they want to use it to reduce the population. And you are really seeing it. The measure our government, our president brings out about COVID-19, why are they not bringing it out? One of the first things the government should do is to protect lives and property. That's the only thing. To protect lives and property. And why are they now trying to say they want to save you from the COVID-19 that is not existing? If COVID-19 have killed your brother, my brother he died of COVID-19, come out on media, come and say it. And if they give you money, content like God will punish you. Come out on media, come and say it. I keep on saying it all the time. Italy, Spain, they were dragging in numbers. But Spanish people, they are not sitting down right now, waiting until they finish up their play they are doing. Ask any Spanish people right now, he go tell you, say, yes, no existe, hombre, terapaya. That way going to tell you. The real Spanish people will know what they'll say, amigo, eso no existe, eso es un juego. Tira para allá, hombre, no me dice eso. No, nosotros está como un animal que está en prisión. Simply tapa tu voz, tapa eso. That's what they're going to tell you. These are the white people. But why will you black man believe on COVID-19? Doesn't believe in the depopulation. And who are they going to depopulate? And what are the things behind what they are doing today? I preach it. You will not say you don't hear. Maybe it is you that is not arguing with your friends, with people that are always following me, who is not promulgating up also the message. Extend the message to the loved one. Whatever thing you have had here, I will not come and start forging stories. If I need viewer, I will carry person come insult them. You guys know me very well. I don't talk about people. But there is only one foolish man I always talk about that living. He's a fool. and he remain a fool for life. That one is not even sacked, you know. So what am I trying to buttress is this: let's try and understand where we are coming from and where we are going. All these things you are seeing. I just drive away from my city right now. I think I'm almost about 15 kilometers away from my city. Anywhere my man carry me say go do video, now they go they do one. 15 kilometers away from my own city. They not pursue me there. Now where the Spirit of God carry me go. Now why are we not believing in it? Why do we not so trust COVID-19? Don't you see our state governor, the way they carry COVID-19? Why are they not carrying security like that? Because the matter pass their hand. They not go feed do one. Where they for they borrow money, now they see from the come. You are a slave to your lender. That's why today we have to take law into our hand. Edo people, take law into your hand. Decide how you want your ancestral land to be. Let us, your Obaseki is only having 4 years. Only 3 years plus now remain now. It will go, it will leave. The people in America, Obaseki now they put everything for head. You better speak now. You have only just 3 years. In they come, they go. But your own, you are going to remain there. Nothing bad. No God will question you if you protect your ancestral land. Now, who is ready to stand and protect Edo? Who is to stand and protect Edo? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. I don't always want to bring Obaseki matter. A lot of people feel Obaseki don't. I wonder. I mean, I'm not a respecter of no man. If I see his hand, but we need to start doing something. Insulting the man will not solve anything. Or your state, what did their governor do? What did Imo do? What did Rivers State do? The rest people, they took law into their hand. We should take law into our hands. Let the Egbe Bini gather. Let the Egbe Bini gather. Now, if you are, that's why all Egbe right from time. I don't want to start mentioning it. We know them very well. They have their use. They have their use. If you read the book of Judges, chapter 11, I've told you a story about Jephthah. Jephthah was the son of a harlot. They told him, Jephthah, you have no inheritance here before because your mama and Shawo. They drove him out of the house. But at the end of the day, what happened? When the children of Ammon rose up against the Gilead, they went looking for Jephthah. That's how life functions. So nobody will not get used. I may mention about Tiger and Lion at times. Please, if you love Edo, you want Edo to be great, mobilize yourselves. Start protecting your ancestral land. Don't wait for the government. Then if at the end of the day, you trying to protect your ancestral land, the government rise up, then we come in. This is a left for the traditional rulers, because the governor will come. We are your children, the traditional ruler, the good one inside. We are your children. The governor only come politically, feast up the entire road and give us water. The ancestors were supposed to be controlled by you. But is it the ancestors of Edo that are demanding blood, that will allow the Fulani herdsmen to be killing your people? Now, every person that died, that is a Doma, all the Enigis, we are supposed to go on their knees, just the way it is before in the olden days in the Bible. Anything that's happening in the community, the whole chiefs, the whole prophet, all of them will rise up and say, no sunu na masunu there. But this one will sit back, the other one will sit back. Now, look at what Uroromi women have done. The jumping from tree to tree of a baby monkey does not make him a babu. But a start, they have just done their own quota. What are the rest people doing? You are waiting for Nigerian police that is controlled by Fulani. Let's take law into our hand. Just the way this vigilante right now, let the elders they gather. We want to protect our land. Obaseki cannot stop you. Any governor, Ogbeoa, will come tell you say no protect your ancestral land. Head down. If I thought they don't bargain money, they go return the money. Now so it reach. My dear, you doesn't know the reason why I'm always coming out here. I think it's our last week. Somebody reminded me today. I know the two they get chance like that. There's this Igbo guy, Simeon Ekman. He talked about me and not past Benin Auntie Road this week. It was last week he said. No, it was last week intro this very week. He talked about them, but not be the Benin Auntie Road so. Not be there for kid that man wey come from US when they go Lagos or so. But person go talk when I know they listening. He prophesied it and it come to pass. They want to unleash mayhem. It was during the same period where they talk this is so now they still take key for Ugo. Who know whether they don't take key for another place today? We have not got the detail. Do you know how many people right now Fulani herdsmen is killing that nobody know about doesn't come on media? Or do you think these things Pandayan for play? Miku. Did their depopulation agenda, they meet it. They mean it. They are going to do it with vaccine, and they are going to do it by killing you so mentally. Then we are just the coward, we are not talking. At least when we were coming to Europe those days, when we get to Morocco, there was a place that was called Rock. Even the bad Arabs, they come near us. Because you they fall out with your koto. Hey, you are ready for. That's why if you are in Rome, you are as a Roman. It was 2003 I knew. In Rabat in Morocco, if you are in Rome, you are as a Roman. Then I found my place. I found myself in a place whereby you cannot just go like that. Either they are going to remove your phone or your code blast go. Man, dear, you will carry your battle ass. Who have is shocking, eh? You don't move. So be that they turn a door like that, every one of us should rise up. The young youth are building house, but good. Do you know whether you are going to live in that house? Who can really say these people? Look at how many people they want to kill. If our leader have sold us out like meat, so okay, kill so and so number, let us know so that somebody like me myself will not be wasting my time. I'm feeling bad. I'm sensing what's going to happen. What's going to be before the end is going to be very serious. This issue of COVID-19 vaccine, mark of the beast was a lot backbone in it. I'm not going to be dwelling on that. Mark of the beast that having man on let me we wanna wait at the plan. Because we have prayed and God have already answered. But the more pressing one inside that they want to use for Nigeria is this excessive killing by some strangers. It beat my imagination that how will a stranger imagine somebody a stranger just come to beat me for my house every day. Hey, this is a shame. Our leaders should be clothed with shame, traditionally and politically, because the reason why you are made leader is to protect your people. Don't be a coward. Make use of what you have. Now, Benin has a tradition. Yoruba has a tradition. The Hausa, the good one, they has a tradition. The rivers, they have the traditions. The Kogi, they have traditions. Now, what must we not do? This, your ancestral land is given to you by God. It's in the book of Proverbs 22 verse 20. It said, remove not the ancient landmark which your father have set up. So it is your ancestral land. Not even Buhari can force Edo people to get land from them. Not until we agree. But why are we giving this too much ground for this? I will even call the illegal immigrant. Have you ever seen where you are illegal immigrant here in Europe? Then you can't do anyhow. You will be positioned in the place that's supposed for you. If one person your fan say, man, I was building this area, so I to make me do your call back. They'll say one boy the top forgot it there. Mona go tell him me low voice. Ogba go just call, they'll say Babaka to voice umpoko. Now so they'll tell me. Because I know if you can inconvenience them. I don't kill anybody, but they'll ring Ogba for you. We cannot call police for Fulani. Up till now, they do whatever they want to do. They go scot-free. I saw a post this morning that guy that was killed. It was five of them. They caught one of them already. The one of them confessed that it was Aladi that sent them. That one that is caught, so go check the prison. Wait, they go release him. No Fulani we ever go to detention. Look at what happened in Edo State last 2 weeks. Inside January, prison break twice. No, forget about redhead. Even redhead, no, we forget on him, madam. Oh, we are not really after that right now. You know, prison break twice, and those people that were there were dead criminals. If your governor, you are always trying to criticize today, really have strength. Will they run? Did you hear that the people that opened the prison gate that they were crucified? No. So Edo people, you will need to take law into our hand and protect our ancestral land. Obaseki, a stranger of Edo. We are the real those. Imamu Ejeva. Again, now they say we mama like a ma. But let's try to see the one who can do first. There is what I do tell people. It's scriptural. In the time of your trial, do the little you can and leave the rest for God. It's an error for you not to do anything at all. So Edo people should rise up and do something. Edo where whether trap catch or not catch, it go see race with small. Messi be say me Edo we mana go be your massive okay, are we going to wait as big as Benin for these people to keep on killing us every day by day? Look at this man that came from America that was killed. Even after paying 10 million, they still kill him. How do you think you are safe? And who might have done that? You that is a diaspora, what must we not do? Everybody should be calling his boss at home. Let us know if Edo can unite together the way we unite to elect Obaseki. If it is Obaseki supporter alone said that take this thing upon themselves, let's try and help our people with banner. Let them put it everywhere. Fulani herdsmen must go. Let's forget about NSAS. This one should be the most pressing is right now. Because any person that if they pay me, I don't know why it be for now, but if they pay me, person will just come, just kill you like that. Okay, that man that died, so me, I can still use another 40 years, that man will still be the way he is today. The man is so healthy that you could see life in the man. You could see life in the man, 60-something years old that died, so you could, after all the struggling, or marry or more, if you ever enjoy. Are we going to fold our hands and allow Oriovi to keep on killing us? I'm no longer deliberating whether some Enoge collected money or not. I'm putting that in there. If you like, you can extend the message. Ask your Enoge. But we need to rise up against this very thing. You that the Enoge that is keeping quiet, they never want to talk. They may meet you at home at any day because most of you they village. Now they all you know all those Enoge now they feel they design their house. If war come now, the youth can run. Can Iye run? Can Papa run? So add the work up, man. So me that is saying it right now, you may say anything when you can't come here, can't commit rubbish. Boko Haram is not here. Boko Haram Boko Haram is not here. You cannot you are not here. But who am I? Yesterday I did a video. I might say 24 hours, but I'm doing another one today again. I'm not here for SAG. No. What must we do about this very nonsense? I told us before, Emidan ya zemidan. Emidan ya zemidan. Let's take law also into our hand. So that let the federal government come and say something. Look at what IPOB did today. A lot of you were trying to use political correctness. Who authorized them? Some of them were saying that's not the best approach to it. Igbo people way Fulani herdsmen don't they kill and Benin people. Did you speak like this? Now you want to start advising. Only animal now they kill. You could have compassion for Melu. You were not having compassion for Melu. But the people that die no go not concern you. Look at this very useless Benin activist. You say na I do get na be. Okay, now this man way there for America. How many videos have you made? All of them will come on media. Buhari must go. They need money. But Buhari must go. Why must Buhari go? Now Buhari must go because if unleashed Fulani herdsmen on the south and innocent Nigerians. That's why it must go. Now you are talking about revolution now. Revolution and your people are dying. That same trend that you have, let's do protest and this Fulani killing, not total revolution. Revolution right now does not mean anything. Let's first of all end this killing first. I said it one time in one of my videos when we started newly. Any take it back that doesn't support Obaseki, you are a fake comrade. And God will punish you. What is the meaning of take it back? It means good governance. Okay, what have you given to take back? If you have something you are giving to them, you are dragging, I don't know. But to my own point of view, what I see there that we need good government. Now we now see the good government in the Obaseki. This fully take it back in Edo. They did not support. They went and raised up their flag, but they couldn't get a ballot box. Now so God to punish them. So that very platform should be taken away from Benin because it's a scam. I hate when good things go come out. For you to support, you can't use sentiment. I don't like it. I supported even the man, despite saying Yoruba. Now me fight for and pass. But one thing I don't know, want you die of fish brain saying you two no guy. We go rock am. We go rock am die. We go rock am. Now so it be. They did not support Obaseki. What is taking back? Good government. That's what it means. It don't mean another thing. If you have any other agenda that you are programming your heart that you want to achieve, you will not achieve it. Instead of people to join, let's fight for this struggle together. They are looking for position. Am I campaigning for position? I say vote for me. I'm not campaigning for election here. Vote for me. Even the person I even supported. Okay, now this one is better than Oshomole. 30 billion. We don't know Iwaka. Oshomole go use Iyamo turn to heaven on earth. So a lot of things discredit Oshomole. If he say Iyamo have come out on his own, not be Oshomole brigand come out. Maybe most of us for still change their mind. But Oshomole, you cannot come and be dictating for us. After all what you have done, what do you do for Edo? That 30 billion was not account of. That's what makes most of us, and the humiliation of Obaseki were passing through, to rise up and say no to this very evil government. You can say all the people here that have died. You that write this comment, all the people here that have died, you will not survive this year. All the good people fighting for freedom in Nigeria is going to follow you. Olawomi, Tayo. All the people that will worry you. Don't you see your life? Okay, me even better pass you. Thank God you know my children is not even in that your Janjaweed country. What am I going to come and do there for? Come and do what? You can see how you guys fool yourself. You don't need freedom. May they locate you in a hurry. In your city now, let you want to go key in Jesus' name. Stupid set of idiots. Now we are talking about better thing. Okay, who the key not concern you? Who the one key tomorrow not concern you? You can see how hopeless a lot of people will be. May what happened to that man in America happen to you in a hurry? You where will look now? Why are you stupid set of people? When you are talking about better thing, that's when people talk anyhow. Thank God you know I'm in abroad. Thank God you know I'm in abroad. I'm not your Janjaweed country. And I have nothing to do with them, man. But it will be difficult for me to turn my eye against my people that are suffering over there. It is difficult. Wicked set of generation. When I go to collect money from Fulani, yes, man. You couldn't commit now that this thing must stop. All you could do, pack my kids to come and do what? May turn that fire you and your generation. God kill you there in a hurry. Join me to lay curse on that guy that the next 7 days we go here in burial. The same thing we kill that man for where they go for America. The same Boko Haram, they go come for you and Fulani herdsmen. If we are talking about the population COVID-19, you will not listen. All those are the population agenda. This was the same thing that happened in the book of Genesis chapter 6. Reading from verse 5. You do the time of Noah. People call Noah an idiot until when it started raining. And make it as a heading yesterday. This is the same thing people are doing today. Why will any person that is saying, if I thought say you first hate me before, for example, why not because of this very topic and also comment good thing? What am I to gain? Maybe in Nigeria you there now. Me not there Nigeria. Now our personal death now one kill us here. Not even which can kill us. Go and have your idiot mumu in America. One of the follow. Witches and wizard. We not get human sympathy. Look at what's the battle before the nation. It does not bother you. It does not bother any of you. How dare you still come here, you still have the country and be commenting nonsense. Una the Kanu is in Afar, but he could set up security network. Wait till your power, your man don't set up. Una the Kanu is in Afar, but he could set the security network. Those of you that always say come back home, must I come back home? Do you know what I'm doing today as I'm here? Or I just carry do you know the mobilization I'm doing? But everybody should do the same. Let's take the fucking law into our hands to protect our lives. If our brother can start killing themselves, let us beg them to stop killing themselves. Let them also enter the bush. We are looking for the intruder that is spoiling this community for us. The commitment of the community has been given to us. There are a lot of things our fathers can no longer do, but we can gather together. If those must go forward, and now we go no. Now let God know where they want to blow wings to say, okay, kill thousands today. They are cleaning up. They started this right from time. Calculate how many people each village have lost. Calculate the money that you have lost. And right now, they are no longer eating your crops. We do cry that they eat my crops. So they are no longer eating your crops now. They are not killing you. How do you think this thing is going to end? Do you think it's going to end by you coming out, insulting the government? Let us also take the law into our hands. The Fulani herdsmen, they themselves see the fear. How we say na Jan there, na this thing for the happen now, for don't surprise you. Say men, oh, but men don't fall out. It just pay me. It be like say men wey read day. All of the day Jan. Man, they won't wear sa now. The akpaka everybody will go buy and so rich. No let come and bomb. If now your cow now feed your fair key. How many them be? How many these people be? We suppose they hear now say me because that guy wey die for America. Area na wa gbeni. All car wey dey there. We no care whether now John wey get am. We go kill everything. Eye for an eye, tooth for tooth. It's permitted from the book of Exodus. I read it to us yesterday here, 22. Eye for an eye, tooth for tooth. In order to rebel for that guy they kill, a man that is full of life, una just kidnap and kill him. Then no one cow don't die. For what? Are you not a coward like that? It's better to die, man, than to live as a coward. You better die in war front than to kill you for his house. That's why if you are in abroad, you don't know what going to happen before you tomorrow. You better speak. The man never expected right now. Maybe no activist, if you ever want to share his video, it might be the gun only, but I'm not trying to scold him. And one of the people who always criticize say when he only God knows whether they have even contributed to the well-being of the Edo State where they come. So you have to be in support. Let all these men that wear fubu in America and Igeji, you know, Digba, where don't spend all their life there, not be a flood una come out. Now because the statement where Donald Trump make all of them they call Donald Trump racist today. That same man wanna they condemn Donald Trump. Mona use and condemn this Fulani killing. Or American Edo Union in so and so. They wrote a letter to Abuja. No president for this one no go fear diaspora. We can sanction them on our own if we cooperate. But now matter will not be now with the support. Okay, revolution I will call for. Again, revolution I say why they never arrest us on the Igbo today? Because a lot of people now know that he's fighting a good cause. So I'll be telling Edo people, you are not supposed to have problem with IPOB. If you are having problem with IPOB, that to say you are brain dead. Who you think? You get where matter go reach. Person where you are not supposed to quarrel. Like when we were coming to Europe those days, you know, there are a lot of people you were having problem with at home. If you see and say, no, but we don't need to divide ourselves now. We need to gather apart. Well, now just settle. You get where go just see it now. People where they come today. There's a way we are also going to come together to fight one thing. Because coming together is more. It will be more important. Where are the people that said they do to the world? What are they saying about this very bullshit that's happening? If you want donating money, 4 people can stand to buy one AK-47. 4 people can stand to buy one AK-47. Let's mobilize ourselves. Not be here the one way Obaseki create where be say me those one and so any working beggar. I wonder why people that is protecting a city, that is protecting a community, those one every day they must come and come back. It's a shame upon the whole those. It shows that our administrative hand is not functioning. Let's also take law into our hand. If some village community and community will go to bush and fight, they'll come later divide the land. We can also fight and say these people no more. There are ways you rebel. God will empower you. The reason why Moses was able to destroy a lot of places, even when he was leading the children of Israel out of Egypt, he fought a lot of war. Go and read the Bible in the book of Exodus. Moses go just call like this. He go send people. Go and meet so and so king like this. Tell him we want to pass through his land. That one go say no. He go just pray, say, God, commit them into man, deliver them to man. You just kill them. They fight a lot of war. This Christianity you embrace today. And the reason why I've told us several times we are not even a Christian, because some of the things that follow it, we know they do them. We only read Old Testament. We only read Testament. Go to Old Testament. Eye for an eye, tooth for tooth. It's in the book of Exodus 20, verse 24. Adeki Dama so. All a dog go declare, Mama only my deg me cow rock do. If we stand up, my dear, I walk bela beye yanya. Who get and make come out? But how many people go feed one? But if aye toast a yege, una go kill yourself. Now, if you choose to fight for that person, the man with the book I don't even know. A lot of people will tell me I have no affiliation with the man, but it pains me. Put yourself in the shoe. You just be kidnapped after the ransom they'll still kill you. And these are the same people we know right from the one that their mission is to kill, to steal, and to destroy. And yet the federal government is not. How many viable things that Buhari have said that gives you encouragement? Have Buhari ever one day mention anything that gives you encouragement? NSAS come, the record down come 12 minutes. He thought to not finish. Now who do us this one? I told us not until you stop cow, you know if you get sense. Maybe the reason why I have sense today, a lot of Benin useless, some of them useless activists, they have no brain, they cannot metamorphose. It's because they eat cow. Because it cannot affect me. Imagine the cow they are killing you for. Have you not seen video where Fulani herdsman is making love with cow? How will you see how the country to eat such a meat? Now human beings they eat like that now. We not they forbid anything. That's just a main problem. Everything can serve. We will not they forbid anything. What does cow meat? How many of us ate the cow meat before we entered them? Was your father able to buy it then? I remember then when we were growing up, my father used to all those eight of his friends. They gather bam. God punish devil do de lama. Why ya? When my day school be on my disesse. Oh, wa na gbo pa we mi po. Eh? We are not doing it. But why are you eating the llama? Let's action. Riot we cannot go. Protocol cannot go. Let's action these people. How we working on llama? What buying? Make una call us. You might be sustainable for some time. Let everybody that sell llama as a business in the market call us. Go to market and ask these people. What bank llama na gas action here? Fight you cannot fight. Action you cannot do. How many of you will say now after this very what Uromi people did? Let channel this video to somewhere and see what we do about it. Oma can't wait. And thank God for that food that I wrote just now. You know that my children is not even your Janjaweed country, and they have nothing to come and do. So whatever thing I'm doing, they are not doing it for them. If I want to do anything for my children, I do it here for them. Be that also not turn the country like that. Okay, what are they? Okay, now what I couldn't sustain? Me with blood come out for a year for Morocco. Now children where the way never even see ant once. Eh? Now this are the for the sea rat. They never set rat take catch cage once. A cage take catch rat. If we grow up, we have seen snake, we have killed snake, we have dig rabbit, we have seen a lot of things. Majerene, you put fire for bush, fire go burn your leg. Waiting we never see. Then you think the fight you are living down for your children, they can fight it. They can't fight it. They will always join the Britain to be attracting money from the same country. Then you can't reach heaven. God gonna ask you, say, how did you do your ancestral land? You say, you know, say God. He go send you to hell. Because everybody go to give account of his still worship. You're going to church every Sunday is not counting right now. What you can give to your people is what counts. So any person that wants God blessing should be able to put his life online. You cannot talk on media. You cannot share video. You cannot do mobilization. Okay, why are you living? The Europe, it counts for everybody now. 10 years from now, think how is your life going to be? How is your life going to be? You feel the so-called Britain that gave us a fake amalgamation in 1914 by Fred Lologa. Even we have grown up. We have a lot of graduates in Europe today, in Ekpoma, in AAU, in everywhere. But yet we know the thing. Only Edo people have been, only Nigeria have been reading civil engineering, but yet they cannot tie their road. They cannot tie their road. They have no a road construction company. Since the 80s, they have been graduating. Then when I go school finish, now sister where they Europe now go consider the airport. Now, the small gun where you get bring and come on, not like come and bomber. Now, how many Fulani herdsmen they escort 200 cow? Maybe go be 2. Then when I go so one the people where they get them for Benin, they go come out. Because I wonder why you be rearing animal at the detriment of your people. And they are not talking. Okay, let's even assume a niggas in this very city, being that we don't already suspect they say now they get Fulani, they've come out openly to come and debunk it that the one we have, even here, they could but they doesn't bloody care. But did they care about you? They doesn't care about you. So this one is for you to know now that nobody send you. Only poor man that feel the pains. The people who get money, they get people where they pay, where they their payroll, did you have it? And Fulani herdsmen, they know them. They can never attack them. Now listen, you they go attack. So if you live in Europe, please, for the safety of your life, not go Niger this period. If you are in Europe, not go Niger this period. You feel not here, not go Niger this very period. I think the people in Edo should start facing sanctions from us. Why you anybody? Let them solve their problem. If me, I don't enjoy life, I still get pepper body like this. Why people not get pepper body? Okay, let's even assume you are not aware. Now you have known. COVID-19, you are not condemning it. Fulani herdsmen. Okay, everything that come across your way is real. How do you think it's real? Kenana iko down agbona eyukoye. Iko na ikone na ya mo agbon ri a eyukoye. Eyukoye. Iko na ikone na ya mo agbon ri eyukoye. They are the originator. When agbon yaria. Do you think these people love you? If you guys know, imagine there's a video I saw the other day. Lagos Road. One guy was talking, said they park for since I don't even know the time, what time be that they say since 6 o'clock. Now they take park. Fulani herdsmen kept thousands of people. The gate go slow. They kept their hostage. So none of them even get double barrel for his motor. Both traders of all. Who they hold on a hostage to is stranger. The people that kept you hostage is stranger. Maybe 3 person keep on a hostage, and they are a foreigner. They are foreigner. Foreigner go keep you hostage. It's a very big shame. All the big boys in Edo, you guys should be ashamed of yourself. Why Galadian media Mona not the Gavalante here and there again? Protect your land. Mona forget guy, I know you love you will say, Dimi why we my brother me whether they boy with the awawu ukpa guse. Ukpa aguse. Una go do and knock and run, hit and run. Why no what be on I instigated violence. A lot of you will start using political code. Why will you be saying that? Okay, Donnie, who is going to solve this problem? Who is to solve this menace? You kill one Fulani herdsmen. We are awake anytime. Fulani herdsmen kill one, we go kill 20. If they kill one, we go kill 20. Let your men roll out. Men roll out. Something should be done about this nonsense. If Fulani herdsmen kill again, we go kill 20. Gele, you look for them, kill them. Wagbeo. I go on bogbe. I don't bow. They can't settle the issue once. Is there any constitution in Nigeria for you to even kill anybody? The constitution in Nigeria does not permit it. The Bible you are even reading, you so-called Christian, read the book of Exodus 20 verse 13. The Bible never even support it. It said, thou shalt not kill. Then why do you feel these people have right to kill you all the time? They'll kill you finish. The same people. And the same animal, the same person will kill you. Their brother will constantly carry animal past your place. Where Matthew Wegian and now nowhere. Is that one that's a coward now? People now don't see go buy llama since now. The same llama they make love with them. The same llama. You know the llama now they take do people. As they told they eat that llama, they come to be like mumu. I felt talking before. Now llama then take do Nigerian people something. Notably Edo people. Okay, look at what happened. Killing happened in Ugo. Another US base again. Something killing now a dope person. Whether now they speak a Bini or not be Bini, but now a dope person. What has the ENA in America? What have they done about it? Have they called for urgent meeting with this nonsense must stop? Now something they trigger something. But who want to talk on? All of them get most of them don't buy house for America now. But your ancestral land, you don't protect them. Check your life since you abandon your ancestral land. Do you know the cost that you are putting upon yourself? You are abandoning your ancestral land. Do you know the cost you are putting upon yourself? Do you think God is going to let me go without blessing me tomorrow? If I'm not blessed, my offspring will be blessed. Because I'm giving out my best. If I can do more than this, I will do. Dimena rowa. Okay. Amen. And I go American. Full and yes men on you. They should also pay for the atrocity. They should pay for it. Enough of this game. They should pay for it. They should pay. Or too much, a stranger for that matter. Nobody told you not to stay with us. But why are you killing our people? Okay, look at the Oibo land. Una the Kano stood up, give them security network. But Edo will still go there and start commenting. Some foolish Yoruba, not be all, they'll still go there and start commenting. Some people will still go there and start commenting. Now, what's your problem? If you have other measure, bring it down. Newton will support you. If you have other thing, me, Newton, I will support you. I support every good fight. I'm not ethnic. I don't believe on the ethnicity. I'm not tribalistic. The reason why I always use Una the Kanu's name because that man have done even what wetin that man don't do, I'll compare him with Moses. So me, I not use and compare God. Me not come like I say, I dey mock him, you know. He have tried from abroad. He could organize such a thing. But Igbo people today, they may not value it. All these miscreants in social media that is insulting you now, the Kano. Can they, what have they been able to do? May Fulani men locate your house and leech on your family. May you know how they pay for body. Death not be waiting that they witch anybody may happen to them. Particularly that guy must be a breadwinner in his family. Are you going to take care of his children? No. You are not going to take care of his children. Are you going to take care of his wife? No. If the friend evil to stay now, hey, we too love him, but now only 1 year. The next one you made children call those some wayward friend now. They're not going to answer again. When your father was alive, your father was this. Most people will even that money, then they're not agree to a command. But here we are. I'm in Canada. I'm in USA. How was USA made? USA was discovered by Christopher Columbus. How was USA made? It was some Spanish people that gave Christopher Columbus money, made them take transport. One Felipe and Isabella. They gave Christopher Columbus make it take sail go America. That was how America was discovered. I know a lot of you don't read now. When I want to cancel the man, come on, because of the more mention Spanish they put. So some of the diseases we are seeing today, a lot of people are paying sacrifice, and up to today they are still paying. Do the little you can. Every Edo life should come to rise up, because it will reach everybody body. Now they have an agenda, the population agenda. The area of concentration is Edo. South in Nigeria is Edo. But thank God they don't see what it pass them for Igbo land. Igbo land don't use ESN to drive them. And what is going to not be the area of concentration now? Edo and no one rise up. If teach them maths, now that they do jazz put gum, you know they let they do jazz put. If you start the protest now, it will be better than when gun go down to full outside. This thing was prophesied many years ago. What you are seeing today was prophesied many years ago. Fulani herdsmen, they are dropping weapons in some part of Benue, not here. During that election, don't you see the way Fulani were migrating? What do you think they were migrating? We don't think. All we just do, you know, concern me, Jare. My dear, where these people will go touch you, now waiting pain you part, now they go take. Don't be so surprised. That house where you don't sell yourself. Give malam, sell yourself, give everybody. Take build. In our fearing you. Okona do bore if you want they pray make the war come. Now let people the village go suffer. War can affect a lot of things. They not they pray for them. Not say now because of your city you dey. A lot of people that live in center of Benin I not concern me. After all, they don't feel rich here. Now when these people want to unleash on you, all those men that were migrating, where were they going? Edo people not find out it today. Instead of we to form a formidable force and begin to ask questions around and set up a vigilante by our own self, private. So, Bob, we they recruit people now. I say, yeah, they recruit people. Maybe different men come out. They are number one to show say, yes, we don't take for the game. We are bush rocker. See what you they organize, you know. If you not call me personally, I go help. Not show na ruggedity. Not be a doma the key a doma. And if through that came to you, it should be a shame on your side as you get power rich. You that person where one thing, if we no where or you be drag them where, fight for your people. Jephthah fought for his people in the book of Judges. Moses fight for his people in the book of Exodus. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for the people in the book of Nnamdi Kanu chapter 1 verse 1. He's fighting for his people. Sunday Igboho is fighting for his people. Fight for your people. I will not mention my name. Nedo Sigbovo. So compare yourself with these people. We get people with tough pass on Sunday Igboho for Edo there. We get people with tough pass on the Igboho for Edo there. If they come out now, men go fall out. It's not about money. A lot of you make money at the end of the day, you lose the money. Fight for your people. A blessing roll na me. Help people no know. This thing I'm doing just say they do. If na the way you they insult me, they follow me, they reach us, I for they do. Una no blessing way they accompany when you leave your own problem talking about other people's own. What did Jesus Christ talk about? Jesus Christ was on certain thing and God preaching the word of God. They came and meet him. They says, Master, your father, your mother, your brother, they are waiting for you outside. Or wait the people that I'm talking to right now, listen to me and my father and my mother. Then he went up to say, he said, those that lose their life for the sake of the gospel, so will gain it. But those that gain their life, such will lose it. You don't know what I'm putting down. You don't know what I'm putting down. You feel it's a joke. And you still, you can also do more than me. I pray for a lot of giants in Edo to rise up. I will promote you. I will promote you. Me, I not be person will be say, man, if you want to do well, you want to do it, I go promote you. At times people just come here, I just drive like they go say, bro, chairman, see, I just they look for one thing. Where this is, I'll just tell them. If I know, I'll tell them. If I don't know, I'll say, okay, just hold on, make a think first. At times, okay, call me back, then I'll give them to them. So now, so like be, whatever thing you are doing, like if you pursue money, and the money you don't see money, you don't see anything and do what you know, fight for the people. The highest thing anybody can give to people is freedom. If all these are political chieftains today come out, they protect us, we forever respect them. I will not respect you as a political leader. As a traditional ruler, Newton will not respect you because you have not done anything. What have you done? Bring it out. Let us see. Did you protect us when we are being killed? No. Upon what Moses did for the children of Israel, liberated them from Egypt, they still murmured against him. Now that one versed God. God were not even the one killing the children of Israel by himself in the wilderness because they murmur against the God of Moses. Now Moses can still pray, say, Baba God, you forgive them. Oh. If you continue to kill them now, they'll say, nah, because you not get power to liberate them. So life is like that. So let's not take this as a joke. It should be everybody's problem. Call your whether not presenter that they call them. If they get deaf ear, maybe stone dead their ear. Tell them, say there's fire on the mountain. Something that is about to hit those things, it may affect their house. It may affect their house. First vaccine on Oni River. That one dead there. Now 2 missions they get 2 missions. First vaccine. And that one not they work. So they have been contracted to kill you. These people were paid to kill. Okay, now what are they gaining from killing you? Just ask yourself. Let's do a simple arithmetic here. What are they gaining from killing you if they were not paid to kill you? They were given the contract to kill you. So can you just fold your hands and let them kill you in your house? They have declared the war already. Now we're not ready. They have declared the war already. Why not buy poison and let's say 100,000 poison? Anywhere they pass, who you are 12 level, let them eat and die. In Wulona. At the time they found out that the cattle they brought, in the name of cattle they are killing people, they eat and die. Okay, what is wrong with us? Somebody will come to my house all the time and be stealing my goods. Won't I set trap? Even any pastor that wait right now, they are killing people. You come to altar now, God will punish you. You are not even a pastor. He thought you are fake. He's supposed to irritate you. You know, now image of God that they kill. Now, why did I say they are killing the image of God? If you read Genesis 1 verse 26, he said, "Let us make man in our own image, and after our likeness." Then, under your own jurisdiction, under your own eye, they are killing people. Or you go to altar on Sunday and begin to shout. People begin to call you daddy, daddy. Your wife become mommy automatically. What physical protection are you giving to the people? So the Akeme we have right now, the reason why we join Ake is just to kill ourselves. It's a very big shame. It's a very big shame. The reason why we protest here abroad at times, if there's so much humiliation, maybe Oiboki, Wandaki, we come and we are trying to tell them that we want to fight back. The people I respect so much in the whole blacks in Europe are the Senegals. The Senegal, what did they do for Barcelona 3 years ago, my dear? Come see. Because they pursue one guy for Barcelona, the guy come from back on the jump. Then why would not go even pursue him at all? We can't jump that. They destroy things. They fight police for our place here. But may you don't go fight them. May you don't even follow Ogbalebedra. Even as me stubborn reserve. There was a day something happened in my church. People started saying, "Una for not call Branuti now. Now not say Branuti, not they take things easy." They started rebelling already. When it comes to one want to go court, you know, I carried a case file. The case was dismissed automatically because it's a fight for the people, not me. It's a fight for the people, not me. Even though I was a strong man that very day, you know. Let me just put the story here before I round up. No, it's not good to say it, but let me just paraphrase it. Something happens, we just do the thing, you know. But when I was very rime. Now me just sneak on when I was kebuti moto, now I was so knock back by. I blast in Atiri, my brother. Now I am with dead body no. I blast in Nore, I swear, now I am with dead body no. You can't do it and go scot-free. Forget that thing. Forget that thing. You know, at the end of the day, what happened? We suppose even get court case, for example, like a week time. They put on for the next day. And then get case, me get case. We read them now and tell the story. It's okay, we are being the same. Our church and they are this thing. They very close. So someone's vecinos. We are believing here we are not be having problem. I just when they want to open tap, una not let us know say una lock and una not call let us know so we open and begin. See our church don't fool. You know, could you know some people were not saying una for not allow brand new team may come now, una not say no they take all this kind of thing easy. Now who is to fight for you? I fought that fight. Could you know no case was recorded against me. The person where me wound, I wound down for free. For free. If I've not wounded anybody, uncle. And they will say call police. My dear, venge first. Oh good dash monkey banana. I just paraphrase this here, you know. So these are the things. Let's rise up to protect our land. Protecting your land means protect your people. It will not be good. Strangers just come, they are killing you because who be president? A president in Ragmon. A UK, they know the business they transacted in 2017. They know what they have done. Then a Joe Biden one or my door Apple. Mona tell that guy. Una Joe Biden, Mona tell and say me talk about this American base. Do people wait there America, whether na ENA, now they call, my only hero you wa. No there, Ukweman or River, Wagwan Kanshuna. Mona tell na Joe Biden, made them talk to Nigerian president, made them remove this Fulani, or a minok wake degbian. Was one take law into your hand in a banner. Everything go work out. You the expect international community for where. I just the corner with go slap me. I want to that baby. My dear, listen where you go get. Listen where you go get. Forget them. Stranger just come your land, kill you, kill your man, kill your pa. The trauma now where did this family body? We full an estimate for key person so. This trauma will be there for life. After pay 10 million. Everybody should speak up against this nonsense. Even the NSAS protest will go down and even fake. More do the real protest now. This killing must stop in Nigeria. More narrate the federal government. All the old governors, security vote is being given to them. They are not using anything. Who are they protecting? Who is the police protecting? Tell me. Whom are they protecting? Edo police today, they are not doing anything. You arrest them and agree that the next thing they go open door for them and make it wrong. Is that not what we are facing? How are we going to continue life? Is this one life? Say not be you happen to now the next person. Man, they think it to yourself if you were to be in that position. Let's assume say that your senior brother the kiss or your sister. How would you feel? I know say person fed they die. Don't get it twisted. But it's becoming too rampant. We know these people. Let's look for them. Let's look for them. If I bought fear kulelian wagon, the girl will say they're not dead. How can they have to worry? Fuck bell. One way, if I were film moto, a tusi waru moto. When I go tell boss. My working to so waruwe boot. Wa una when now ya make una ya I get license to run. Always hammer. Would they use hammer? He get one that will be like them. They use them. It's a part of my tools I'm using, so it not be legal tools. It did they boot there. So if you want to try yourself at any time, it's solo on me. But enemy will boo where if they say for you it's a crime. But to me it's not a crime. I'm coming from work or I want to go to work the next day. So what are you talking about? Please let us not be too lazy to even share video or discuss with our friends about what's happening. Please, Edo people wake up. Wagimawe boyakon. Igegawe boyi. Let's do it now. This will not be pandayan for play. Miku. Not be played the day. Na depopulation agenda. Na yagbele maso yagbonre. Ugmeba do very now where that's why you see excessive killing. Now, it cannot say, why are they killing you? What have you done to them? You are not the cause of Nigerian problem either. Why has Boko Haram be there? They just, what you are seeing today, most of them, they are not Fulani. This Boko Haram in the city, in disguise of Fulani. They're giving us two names. Boko Haram. No, all of them, they are the same. They are the same gang. Have you ever one day marvel? How many times have you ever seen European government, they recruit, they'll say repented terrorists or repented ISIS, they'll put on the Nigeria, US Army. You that live in America or live in Europe, when has it happened? When has it happened? But only in Nigeria, Boko Haram, repented Boko Haram, the Nigerian army. So don't expect army will protect you. Army, they are to protect the Fulani. Why the police, they are to protect the Fulani? So Edo people, Kogi people, Oyo people, stand for yourself. This is just the beginning. So this is the little we can give. If we can do more than that, maybe we can fit deploy some Fulani herdsmen come, make them come factor this side. Let's see you win. If it's possible for you to deploy some, more help and fight some. But deploying men still dey here now. Men not to get joy here. Men just dey, men worry man. They just dey cool headed. But on our set, if now the man will get for Jana, so Nigerian people get Nigerian for Dumpan. If you watch out to Dennis Mountain and diaspora, now we get compassionate man pass. Because we know they eat on a cow. A cow near have you worry here. But now we believe in eating cow meat. What ban I? Now that the medicine day. If you can stop cow for two months, your brain will come normal again. How did they do it? They do it to soften your heart. Whatever thing we do, let them not count it as something. Now that they do now. That's why today, no activist in Benin who have been grumbling, be speaking about the killing of Fulani herdsmen. They talk about it once and they forget about it. All they talked about is the state governor because they have been contracted to install the state governor. Imagine somebody, only a doorman will be an activist for 4 years because of a state governor. Only state governor. Without making problem, he cannot give a moral lecture like this. They can never. Please, why must you also be insulting yourself here now? Eh? All work cannot play me jacket double. Here is no, this is not time for insult. Make your at times your or how will I put it? Your statement or your comment, let it be constructive and a way out. I'm putting a lot of things here. What can we do? This one is not sad. It is what's happening. I should come and tell you how I know reach for the matter, you know. Failure for me to tell you, I may be sharing from sin. Philippians 2 verse 5. He said, let this man be in you that was also in Christ Jesus. Now ask yourself, what man was in Christ Jesus? Anything they have about the Father, I tell the people. So anything that God have given to me, I have to give it up. The population agenda in Nigeria is real. By force vaccine and Fulani herdsmen. And I told us before that their mission is John 10:10. To kill, to steal, and to destroy. So you are seeing it. You are seeing it. So all the churches, small time now, I know they go church again. They'll join enter church, blast all of them. Do you know it's just that the cow what they eat, not they make all the forget. Go, just rethink right now. How many people they have slaughtered in Ondo? In church, how many people they have slaughtered? But right, we are trying to do political correctness. They would have imagined that idiotic and non-entity, Australia wallaby, saying that you are having compassion for cow that was killed. You've forgotten the people they have killed in Edo. How many of Edo women they have raped? Shame not let them talk. Come on. Now God now go deliver all of them. I never go river now. I hold my peace. More than not let me go. If I go, you'll get problem. So good everyone, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. I remain your beloved brother, Comrade Nuchek Benego, the Bishop of Activism. So do have a nice day, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.